Now, if you notice it, what is the average velocity formula? If it is constant acceleration means what? What is the formula? Constant acceleration means u plus v by 2. And if it is, the acceleration is not constant, then we can say average velocity formula is s by t. Yes or no, guys? Total displacement divided by total time period. So compare these two equations. Understanding from equation 1 and 2, we'll get what? S by t is equals to u plus v by 2. Any doubt? Please respond. Yes or no? Now t is in division. Will come this side. What will become, guys? T is in division. Will come this side. What will become? So it will become u plus v by 2 into t. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now you can see again from first equation of motion. From first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion? Anybody can tell me? V equals to u plus at. Yes or no? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from the first equation of motion, you tell me what is the first equation of motion? U plus at. Yes or no? Yes. Now from this t formula, tell me anybody t equals to what will become? T equals to I want. So let me take u is in plus, will come this side. What will become, guys? Minus. So v minus u is equals to at. Now I want t alone. So a is in which operation? Which operation, guys? A is in
Multiplication.
will come this side. What will become? Division. Okay. So v minus u divided by a, which is equals to what? T. So now this is what? Understanding. So now let us assume this is the equation number 3 and this is the equation number 4. So now we have to substitute equation 4 in which equation, guys? Equation 4 in equation 3. Substitute equation 4 in equation 3. So in place of t, what I can write, guys? In place of t, what I can write? In place of t,
V minus u by
v minus u by a. Understand, everyone? That is what? See, also this t we can get from acceleration also. So no need from first equation. Understanding? From acceleration also we can get it. From acceleration we can get a t. So what is the acceleration equation? Anybody tell me? Acceleration a is equals to what? V minus u by t. Puriyama? Everyone, now t is in division, will come this side, will become what? Multiplication. Now multiplication will go this side, what will become? Division. So same equation will get it. Yes or no? So either from first equation or acceleration, both are same, you will get it. So that one we have to substitute in equation number 3. So in place of t, what we can get, Arun Kailash? So s is equals to u plus v divided by 2 into v minus u divided by a. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Now you tell me what is the 2 plus 1, guys? 2 plus 1 is equals to what? Plus 2 plus 1 3. 1 plus 2 is equals to how much, guys?
3, sir.
3. Now, whenever in between two numbers, if addition sign is there, you will write a plus b is equals to c or c plus b plus a is equals to c. Both are same. Yes or no, Harish? Arun Kailash? Everyone? So now, but minus is there, we cannot write it. Yes or no? Only plus it is there, we can write it. So, can I rearrange and write it? This one, u plus v, can I write it as a v plus u? Is it right or wrong? Yes, v plus u divided by 2. Is it right or wrong? Anyone? Yes?
Right.
It's right only. Understanding? So v plus u by 2 into v minus u by a. So now in mathematics you tell me. So as we know, if addition or subtraction, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. If it is addition, we have to take LCM. Yes or no, guys? LCM we have to take it.
Yes,
if it is multiplication, what we will do, guys? Directly we will multiply 1 into 1, 1, 2 5s are 10. So 1 by 10 is the answer. Yes or no, guys? Respond. Yes. Now same way here also, if it is multiplication operation, then what we can do? All the numerators we can multiply and all the denominators we can multiply. Any doubt? 2 into a, 2a. Puriyama? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Division will come this side. What will become, guys? 2a is in division. Will come this side. What will become?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So 2as is equals to v plus u, understanding, v minus u into v minus u. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now, from algebra, mathematics, you tell me, from algebra, I don't know how many of you remembering, but you studied in lower classes itself, 8th itself. So
Yes,
from
sir.
algebra,
A plus B
remember
into
the
A minus
mathematics formula, a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to what is the formula, guys?
A square minus B
A
square.
minus
A
b.
square
Equals
minus
what
b.
is the formula? A square minus, Vartini, what is the formula? A square minus, Tanishkar? A square
B
minus b square. Yes or no? So how it will get? If you want, you can derive a into a. What is that? A square. Next, a into minus is there. Minus a into b. AB. Next, plus b into a. What will come? Plus BA or AB. Next, plus into minus, minus b into b. How much, guys? B into b. B
B
square.
square.
Plus AB minus AB will get cancelled. What is the answer will come? A square minus
minus B.
clear, which is equals to what? A plus B into A minus B. Okay. Now same way, in place of A plus B, we are having what, guys, here? We are having what? V plus U.
B and B.
And in place of A minus B, we have what? V minus U. So that, can you tell me the formula? What will come? 2AS is equals to V square minus U square. Clear, everyone? That is what we can. So if you want, you can write here V plus U into V minus U. So V is assumed as a what? A. And U is assumed as B. And V is assumed as A. And V is assumed as a B. So that we used to get what? A square minus B square. Clear, everyone? Any doubt?
No,
Yes,
sir.
respond. So this is the third equation of motion. Have you noticed it? Please respond and do it. Solve it. This much clearly I taught. Again, don't say if I'll ask you to solve, if you're saying, sir, again, I don't know, sir, I not understand, sir, then I cannot help you anymore. That is what is very difficult. See, that much clearly I am teaching. So each and everything. So very clearly I taught. So the same with the clarity, you have to maintain it and you have to solve it. Okay. So even mathematics, why I am using here for better understanding. So don't write this and all. It's no need. So when basic operations, you all should know because you're all class 9th, correct? So you all need to know the basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. When we should take LCM, when we have to equate the denominator. Addition and subtraction, we can equate the denominator. And multiplication and division, no need. Directly we'll do it. Yes or no? Ready? Tanishkar? That is what. Okay. So please, this is what the third equation of motion. So anybody having doubt, you can ask me and you solve. So second equation and third equation, if you want to derive, again, two equations only needed. What is the two equations, guys? Average velocity, constant acceleration. Average velocity, not constant acceleration. Yes or no, guys? Yes. That's all. Yeah. Make it. Derive it slowly. Slowly, how to derive it. Both equations are same. So that is what it is. So only thing is you have to learn. It will be difficult. Those who are like class 8th and all, not having like basics and all, it will be difficult. But you are having time now. You are having a chance to learn. So try kindly ask me if you have any doubt anywhere. You understanding? So always mathematics and physics is very problematic in higher classes. So you have to overcome from this stage now. So hope you all understand. So any doubt anybody ask me, or else we'll move to the next equation. Solve it. Take your time and solve. Everybody. So clearly mention from algebra how I am taking here, the same way you have to mention and you have to write it. Okay. So this is what 3 equations of motion. Now, as I asked you, at least say yes or no, completed or not. Tanishkar, Arun Kailash, Gokul.
No, sir.
Now, next last equation. For example, this is what is the use of this equation, I will say. Suppose, now let me imagine Gokul is started moving now. After nth second means in the sense of after, suppose if I'll ask you, for example, t is equals to 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, what is the distance? What is the distance traveled by the Gokul, or what is the speed of the Gokul? Like that, if I'll ask, then you know the time, but I don't know. If nth second I'll ask you suddenly, what is after 1000 seconds? What is the speed of the Gokul, or what is the distance traveled by the Gokul? So by the time, for we cannot add 1 second plus 1 second plus 1 second like that continuously, we cannot add, correct or not? So that is why we are getting a formula for calculating nth second. So we are getting the fourth one, that is what to deduce the equation for this one for nth second. So as we know, what is the nth second formula? Anyone? Sn is equals to what? U plus 1 by 2a 2n minus 1. Understand? That is what the fourth equation. Yes, nth second is equals to u plus, please respond, a by 2 into 2n minus 1. This is the formula. Yes or no, guys? Yes, please. Yeah. Now, let us take, if you want to deduce this equation for the displacement of a body in the nth second, then let's consider AB is the distance traveled by the body in n seconds. Okay. So this formula when we will use, guys? Okay. Shall we complete it or we will solve in next class? Your choice. We have now 2 or 3. It will take around 3 or 4 minutes. So if it is okay, I will continue. If not, next class I will teach. Yes. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please keep reading. To deduce the equation for the displacement of a body, to deduce the equation, what is the equation? What is the use of this equation? Calculate the displacement after nth second. Okay, that is to deduce the equation for the displacement of a body. To deduce the equation. To deduce the equation. To deduce the equation. To deduce the equation for the displacement of a body, displacement of a body, distance or displacement I am using? Displacement. Yeah, our body in the nth second, body in the nth second. What do you mean by nth second, guys? After some unknown time. Do you understand? Nth means it may be 1 second or n equals to 4. N is equals to 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, so on. Is it okay, guys? Now clear? Any doubt? Yes? Now, consider, okay, AB is the distance traveled by a body in n seconds. What is that? Let AB is the distance traveled by a body. So now let me take distance and displacement. Okay. Now let me take this one. So now you can notice it. Let me draw that line also, because I'm taking C. It should be displacement. So that is why perfectly I'm drawing that line. Clear, everybody? So this is what we can say. So this is the displacement. Let AB is the distance traveled by a body in how many seconds, guys? Traveled by a body in n seconds. Clear, everyone? Ready? Understand? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will keep middle one point. That point called as C point. What we used to call?
C point.
That point is called as C point. Now you tell me, guys. Now, if AB is the distance which is covered by n second means, then AC is less than n seconds or greater than n seconds?
Less than n
Less than
seconds.
So now that is I am assuming as, understand, and AC be the distance traveled by a body. AC be the distance traveled by a body in n minus 1 seconds. What is that? AC is the distance traveled by a body in n minus 1 seconds. Is it okay, everybody? N minus 1 seconds. Clear? Understand, everyone? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now that is
Yes,
what.
sir.
So, as we know, the distance traveled in the nth second is, what is the distance traveled in the nth second? Now finally he reached to C point. So he went to A point, A to B point, and again he reached back to where? He reached back to C point. Yes or no, guys? Yes, please respond. So the distance traveled in the nth second, if we consider, that is what we used to call as Sn. What we used to call, guys? Yes, N.
Yes, sir.
Everyone? So that is what. So Sn is equals to, what will come, guys? Sn is equals to, you can see here, for example, this is what AC. AC is equals to n minus 1. And we know AB is equals to what, guys? AB is equals to what? AB is equals to what? N seconds.
N seconds.
Now you can notice it, for example, I given you total distance is 3 centimeter. Now C point is 2 centimeter. Okay. Now what is this remaining distance? What is this remaining distance?
Centimeter.
Total is 3, and from A to B, A to C is 2 centimeter. Now from B to C is how much, guys?
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Clear, everybody? The same way, you know that A to B is equals to how much time, guys? A to B is equals to how much?
10
N
seconds.
Hence, same way, A to C is equals to how much, guys?
N minus 1 second.
N minus 1 seconds. Now, what about C to B? That is what we want. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Respond. That is what. So, the distance traveled in the nth second CB is equals to Sn. So, please write. Thus, the distance traveled in nth second CB is equals to Sn. I am assuming this. CB is equals to what, guys? Sn. Okay. Now, from the mathematics, tell me, I want to get this CB. What I have to do, Harish, Reddy, everybody? Suppose total is 3 centimeter and AC is 2 centimeter. Now I want to get CB. So what are you doing? Addition or subtraction? What are you doing?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, sir. AB minus CB.
Mathematics will tell me. So CB is the Sn. I am assuming as this CB is equals to Sn. Now if I want to get Sn, then what I have to do, guys? What I have to subtract it? Anybody? I have to subtract from where?
AB minus XN.
Minus AB minus what? AC. Puriyam,
Yes, sir.
everyone? So
Yes,
Sn is equals to, I can say, Sn is equals to, what I can write, guys? AB minus AC. So let me write, this is equation number 1. Till here, any doubt? Anybody?
No, sir.
Yes, please respond. Now you can see from second equation of motion. Anybody can tell me what is the second equation of motion? From second equation of motion. What is second equation? From second equation of motion. Yes, please respond.
S is equal to UT
Yes.
plus of AT.
UT plus half AT square. Is it yes or no? AT square. But T is equals to what? Ready here. Anybody? T is equals to, we don't know. T is equals to how many seconds? T is equals to 10 seconds. So in place of T, what I can write? S is equals to U into N plus half into N square. Right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please respond. Yes, that is what. So S is equals to only what? The total distance. What is S is equals to? S is equals to total distance. Yes or no? So S is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
total distance. Total distance means what, Ready? What is the total distance?
AB.
AB. So now, as we know, S is equals to, Danishkar, are you understand? If you are not understanding, please ask me. S is equals to AB. So I can say, in place of, yes, AB is equals to, what is that, guys? UN plus 1 by 2 A. Okay? That is. Now, this is what? Then from this one, tell me what is AC? AC is equals to what? From then, AC
n
is
minus
equals
1 second.
AC means what? AC is equals to n minus 1 second. Yes or no? Yes, please respond,
Yes, sir.
everyone. So what will come? AC is equals to U into, in place of n is equals to what? N
n
minus
minus 1.
no, plus 1 by 2 into, here also what will come? N minus 1 whole square. Any doubt? Anybody? Please ask. Clear, guys?
No, sir.
No, that is very
Yes, sir.
so. Till here, any doubt, guys? Harish, Danishkar, ready?
No, sir.
That is now. This is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Now, can we substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1? Can we substitute it or not? Yes, please.
Sir, AB minus AC.
So, A minus B, if we'll do, sorry, AB minus AC, what will give? We know that Sn is equals to AB minus AC. Now, AB is equals to what, guys? Un plus half An square minus AC is equals to what? You have to tell me. AC is equals to what? U into n minus 1.
N minus 1 plus half A N minus 1 square.
A into n minus 1 whole square. Any doubt? From here, see, little complicated. Like this only mathematics. Mathematics lifelong like this only. So be very careful and do it. Okay. Now let us see. Don't avoid the minus sign first of all. So tell me, anybody, you should speak. So minus of. So U into n. What is that? Vardhani, U into 1. U into n. Un. Next, plus into minus. Minus U into 1. U. Is it okay, everybody? Plus half into A into n minus 1 whole square. What is the formula? Mathematics. A minus B whole square formula. A minus B whole square formula.
A square plus 2ab
Minus 2AB. Yes or no? Same way, apply this formula. Tell me what will come? A into, what will come? N minus 1 whole square. What will come, guys? N square plus 1 square means 1 minus 2n. That is what will come. Yes or no? Everybody. That is so.
Yes, sir.
Un plus 1 by 2 an square minus un minus u plus 1 by 2 into a into n square, 1 by 2 n square plus 1 by 2 into a into 1. How much it will come, guys? 1 by 2a. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Next, last one, what will come? 1 by minus 1 by 2 into n, 1 by 2 into a into 2n. So this is what will come. Any doubt? Yes? Nobody is answering.
No doubt, sir.
Now, you can tell me. Un plus 1 by 2 an square minus un minus u plus 1 by 2 an square. Next one, plus 1 by 2a. Next, this one you tell me what will come? 2 will get cancelled. So what will come? Minus an. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Minus an will come. Till here, any doubt? Anybody ask me. So what is the equation will come? Un plus 1 by 2 an square. This is all will come. Any doubt, Ra? Ready? Now, if you remove the bracket, all the inside mathematics, what will happen? If you remove the bracket, all plus will become minus. Minus will become what? Minus will become what? Minus will become what, guys? Plus. Yes or no? That is what? So, un plus, let us finish fastly. 1 by 2 an square. Now, minus into plus, what will become? Minus into minus. Very good. Minus into plus. Sorry for the interruption, because we have to complete it. That is why. Minus into plus minus. Minus un. Minus into plus. Sorry, minus into minus. What is there, guys?
Plus.
Minus plus. Next. Minus into plus. Minus 1 by 2 an square. Same way. Minus into plus. Minus 1 by 2a. Next. Minus into minus. Minus
plus.
into minus. Plus an. Okay. Now here something is similar, but sign is different. We can get cancelled. What is that? Check it, everybody. Something
Sir,
is
1 by 2 an
sign is different. What is that?
cancel, sir.
Un minus un get cancelled. 1 by 2 an square, 1 by 2 an square will get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what. Now what is remaining? What is remaining? U
U
plus an minus 1 by 2a. Is it right or wrong? Which is equals
yes,
to
sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Anybody? You can ask me. Now, from this, n is common. A is common from this one. So you can see in both this one, a is common. So you can subtract, u plus a is common in this two. What is that a? If you take the outside, then what is remaining? N minus 1 by 2. Yes or no? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
N minus 1 by 2. So this is what it is. So now if you take 1 by 2 also common, then what will become? Anybody can tell me? Or else you can take LCM. So you can take LCM here. So you can see Sn is equals to U plus A. So here, well, LCM is 2. So what will become? LCM is 2 means here 2n minus 1 will come. Is it okay? Right or wrong? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this one, as I said you, 2 by 3 means I can write 2 into 1 by 3. So same way, 2n minus 1 by 2. Can I take 1 by 2 is outside? Yes or no? So it will turns into 1 by 2 into a into 2n minus 1. So I can say u plus 1 into a what? 1 into a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No, that is what. So this is the fourth equation of motion to derive what? Distance or displacement done by the body after nth second. So this is all about it. So you please already time up. You leave from the meeting. I will send the PDF later. You can copy. Okay. Thank you all of you. Bye. We'll meet in the next class.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
In evening. So if you understand this, try to solve your own. Okay. Arun Kailash, Danishkar, everybody, try to solve your own.